Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I know it's been a minute, but I've been here doing stuff, or trying to. I just lost my computer hard drive, and I lost everything that I had. I lost pictures, I lost video. I've just been so disgusted that it's like I haven't done anything at all. So the upcoming video you'll see is stuff that I've recorded on my phone, mostly pictures and stuff like that. I'm gonna put together, and then I've got another video coming out after that soon. Whenever this one drops, I actually do this. I still haven't even set the computer up. I've been so disgusted with the whole thing. It's like, you know, I bought a brand new computer and solid state hard drive and all that, and then I lost everything. All my pictures, my puppy pictures, my house pictures, just life pictures I download out of my phone onto the computer, because you would think that's where you store the stuff. So anyway, and that being said, enjoy the video that's coming up, and it's a little bit behind, so I have a couple videos out. You'll see what we've been up to. See you in a bit. Oh, close your eyes. Oh, great. Now I gotta edit that out.
Couldn't help it.
What was it, the bending?
Huh?
I said, what was it, the bending?
Yeah.
I'm seeing spots, but I'm missing them too. Learning the weld. Filling heater heater hole hoses. Now, let me see that. So I got the bottom one done, except for a couple pinholes that I found. I'm going to grind this top one and see what I missed, and then
finish it up.
We'll finish it up.